Clue, Peanuts Edition, How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Clue, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to figure out who took Linus's blanket, what they turned it into, and where they hid it. Each player gets a character card that matches their character, which has a special ability they can use once per game. After you use your ability, turn the card over. Before beginning, everyone rolls the dice, and the highest goes first. Pieces start the game in the center space on the board. Clues are called rumors, and suggestions are called questions. When dealing rumor cards to the players, make sure they are even, placing all the extra cards face up to the side for everyone to see. Shuffle the intrigue cards and place them face down on the table. Whenever a player lands on a question mark, or rolls a question mark, or is moved into a location to be questioned, they draw an intrigue card. The question mark on the die counts as a 1 for movement. When using the shortcuts to move across the board, do not roll the dice. Intrigue cards are kept hidden until their conditions to be played are met. There is no limit to the number of intrigue cards that can be played on a single turn. To play 2-player, before dealing out the rumor cards to the players, deal 5 face down to the side of the board without anyone seeing. Whenever you ask a question that your opponent cannot answer, you get to secretly look at one of the face down rumor cards, then return it to its place. Intrigue cards are not used.